Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again I am here back with the very important problems on AP. So in my previous video I have completed till problem number 8. Now I am going to continue with the question number 9. So let us see the question number 9. The third term of an AP is 8. Which term? Third term of an AP is 8. And the ninth term of an AP exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. Find the sum of 19th term. What we have to find? Find the sum of 19th term in the sense S9 we have to find. S19. So let us start solving. Question number 9. I have already read the question. Again I will repeat. Third term of an AP is 8 and ninth term exceed 3 times third term by 2. Find the sum of 19th term. Yes, 19 we have to find. Okay, let us start solving. We know that A3 is equals to 8. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D equals to 8. Let us consider this as equation 1. Now, A9 let us write as it is minus 3 into A3. Already they have given A3 is nothing but 8. In place of A3 let us write 8 is equals to 2. A9 minus 8 3s are 24 equals to 2. A9 is equals to 2 minus 24. If I bring this side it becomes plus 24. A9 is equals to 24 plus 2 is nothing but 26. Now we know that A9 is nothing but A plus AD. A plus 8D is equals to 26. Let us write this as equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2 we get. Solving 1 and 2 we get. Let us solve this. A plus 2D is equals to 8. A plus 8D is equals to 26. This is equation 1 and 2. So how we have to solve the equation simultaneously? We have already learned linear equation. Okay, how we can solve this equation? Let us change the sign of the lower equation. Minus all. So 1 plus 1 minus A get cancelled. Plus minus, we have to see the lower sign. Plus minus is nothing but minus. 8 minus 2 is 6D. But greater number is 8 and 8 is having negative sign. Is equal to 26 minus 8 is nothing but 18. Greater number is again 26. So minus 18. Minus get cancelled. D is equals to 18 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. What we got? We got the value of D as 3. We got the value of D 3. Substitute. I'll continue here. That is substitute or put the value. Substitute D is equal to 3 in any of these equations. Either equation 1 or 2. Any one equation we can take. I'll take equation 1. D is equals to 3 in equation 1. I'll write equation 1. A plus 2D is equals to 8. हम लोगों को कोई एक इक्वेशन लेना है. दोनों में से कोई एक इक्वेशन लेना है. But if we feel which is easy, better we take easiest equation. A as it is रखना है. 2 into D की वैल्यू क्या है? 3. In place of D we have to write 3 is equal to 8. As I have got comments that so that I can explain in Urdu also. So I will try my best to explain in Urdu as well. So A plus 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 is equals to 8. a इज इक्वल्स टू 8 माइनस 6 प्लस 6 जब इधर आता है तो माइनस 6 हो जाता है. a इज इक्वल्स टू 8 माइनस 6 इज 2. हम लोगों को d की वैल्यू 3 मिली है और a की वैल्यू 2 मिली है. तो हम लोगों को व्हाट दे हैव टोल्ड अस टू फाइंड, यस 19. तो एस एन का फॉर्मूला मालूम है, एस एन इज इक्वल्स टू एन बाई 2a प्लस एन माइनस 1d. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ n, yes 19 is equals to 19 by 2a value is 2 plus n again 19 minus 1d की वैल्यू क्या है 3. so 19 by 2 as it is, क्योंकि ये इवन नंबर नहीं है, it cannot be cancelled. 2 2 जा 4 plus 19 minus 1 18 into 3. So 19 by 2 as it is, 4 plus 18 3 जा 54. 19 by 2 as it is रखेंगे into 54 plus 4 58. Now we can get cancelled. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 1 carry 18, 2 9 जा 18. So yes 19 is equals to 19 into 29. 19 into 29 I have already multiplied, so we get 551. Yes 19 is equals to 551. So we got the solution. Yes 19 is equals to 551. So the next question is question number 10th. In an AP whose first term is 2, the sum of first 5 term is 1/4 the sum of next 5 term. Prove that A20 is equals to minus 112. Here answer they have given. Prove, we have to bring this answer. हम लोगों को इस ये प्रूव करके दिखाना है कि A20 is equals to minus 112. So this question is very important. I'll continue. Question number 10. What they have told? In an AP whose first term is 2 and the sum of first 5 term is, sum of first 5 term. Let me write sum of first 5 term, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to, sum of first 5 term is 1/4 of sum of next 5 term. 1/4 of sum of next 5 term. Next A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Then what they have told? Prove that A20 is equals to minus 112. This we have to prove. Only this is the question. Now we have to bring this answer. Okay, let us start. We know that A1 is A. I'll write A1 A. A2 A plus D. A3 A plus 3D. A4 plus as it is A4 A plus A3 A plus 2D. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D plus as it is A4 is A plus 3D and A5 is A plus 4D. This 1/4 I'll write as it is. And now again A6 A plus 5D plus sign as it is A7 A plus 6D plus sign as it is A8 A plus 7D plus sign as it is again A9 A plus 8D, A10 A plus 9D. Okay. So now let us count how many A we have in this RHS and LHS. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 A here. D how many? 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10D is equal to, that side 1/4 as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5a plus how many d? 9 plus 8. 8, 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 17. Total how many d's are here? We have 35d. 5, 6, 11. 11 plus 7. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 18. 35d we have total. 35d. Now what we have to do is, let us multiply this 4 this side. हम ये 4 जो है डिवाइड पोजीशन में है, ये साइड आ गया तो मल्टीप्लाई होता है. 4 इंटू 5a प्लस 10d इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड 5a प्लस 35d एज इट इज. ओके. 4 5s are 20a plus 4 10s are 40d is equals to 5a plus 35d. लाइक टर्म्स एक साइड करेंगे हम लोग. लाइक टर्म्स को एक साइड में लिखेंगे. 20a एज इट इज. यहाँ से a को दिस साइड बनेंगे. 5a if we bring this side minus 5a. 35d as it is this side. 40 plus 40 if I bring this side minus 40d. 20 minus 5, 15a is equal to 35 minus 4 minus 5d. Why minus? Because greater number is 40. So minus sign. So what we have to do is d is equals to 15a by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. What we got? D is equals to 3a. We have already given a value. क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों को फर्स्ट टर्म दिया गया है. सो d is equals to 3 इंटू -2. -3 है ना. माइनस +2. a की वैल्यू +2 है, -3 है. So d is equals to minus plus minus 3 2s are 6. We got d value is 6. a की वैल्यू दी गई है. d is equals to -6 we got. Now हम लोगों को क्या प्रूव करना है? a20 is equals to हम लोगों को मालूम है a plus 19d. a2 plus 19 as it is. d हम लोगों को क्या मिला है? -6. 2 plus minus minus. 19 6 are 114. 114 minus 2 is 112. a20 क्या मिला हम लोगों को? 112. तो दिस प्रूव द सॉल्यूशन. यही प्रूव करने के लिए बताया गया है. we can see in question a20 is equals to minus 112 and we proved a20 is equals to minus 112. So the next question number 11. Let us see question number 11. The sum of 3 terms is 6. The sum of 3 consecutive terms is 6 and their product is minus 120. Find the 3 terms. It's a very important question. So let us solve. The sum of 3 consecutive terms they have told. So let the 3 consecutive terms be a plus d, a minus d. These are the 3 consecutive terms. What they have told in the question? Sum of 3 consecutive term is 6. इन तीनों के दरमियान sum a minus d plus a plus d. Sum is 6. So minus d plus d cancel होता है. a plus a is nothing but 3a is equals to 6. a is equals to 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So we got a value what? 2. इसी तरह what they have asked? Their product is minus 120. Whose product? This 3 terms product. Let us write product. A minus d, a plus d is equals to minus 120. So we know that a minus d, a plus d is nothing but a square minus b square. ए माइनस डी, ए प्लस डी, नज़दीक लाएंगे, ए जो है मल्टीप्लाई पोजिशन में है, इधर आके डिवाइड होता है. This a comes this side and it get divided. So a minus d, a plus d is nothing but formula a square minus d square minus 120. A की value we have got already 2, so I'll write 2. Again I'll write, substitute the a value. 2 square minus d square is equals to 2 ones are 2 6 are minus 60. 4, 2 square is 4. 4 minus d square is equals to minus 60. Minus d square is equals to minus 60 minus 4. Minus d square is equals to minus 64. Minus minus get cancelled. D is equals to root 64 plus and minus d is equals to plus or minus 8. So we got the value of d. So therefore I'll write continue here. Therefore 3 terms are a minus d, a plus d. a क्या है 2, 2 minus 8, 2 plus 8 minus 6, 2, 10. These are the 3 terms, or if we take negative sign, 10, 2 minus 6. Okay, the next question we'll solve the next question, question number 12. Let us see the 12th one question. If 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times the 11th term. These all problems are very important problems, and I have collectively collected from all previous years question papers. Very, very, very important questions you will not find in your textbook. So the question number 12 now, that is, if 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times the 11th term, then prove that 18th term is equal to 0. Okay, let us solve. What they have told? 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times 11th term. Only the question is this: if 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times 11th term, prove that 18th term is equal to 0. We have to bring the answer 0. Okay, 7 into 7th term is nothing but a plus 6d is equals to 11 into a11 is nothing but a plus 10d. Now 7 into a is 7a. 7 6 are 42d is equal to 11 into a is 11a. 11 10s are 110d. Like terms we will bring one side. हम लोग like terms one side लाएंगे. 7a minus 11a is equal to 110d minus 42d. So let us see now. 7a minus 11a is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. Minus 4a equals to 110 minus 42. 110 minus 42, 10 minus 2 is 8. And 10 minus 4 is 6. 68d. Okay. A is equals to minus 68d by 4. A is equals to 4 ones are 4. What remains? 2 remains. 4 sevens are 28. What we got? Minus 17d we got. A value. Okay, what they have told? Prove that A18 is equal to 0. They have told. So A18 is A plus 17d. A value we have got already. Minus 17d. We have plus 17d. Minus 17d plus 17d is 0. We proved A18 is equals to 0. Right? We proved the answer. The next question is, we feel the questions are very difficult, but if we solve it, we feel very easy. So you have to understand it well. So the question number 13. Let us see the question number 13. Okay. The fourth term of an AP is 10 and its 11th term is 1 more than 3 times its 4th term. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Okay. What the question is, the fourth term is 10 and 11th term is 1 more than, more in the sense I'll write plus, 1 more than 3 times 4th term. Find the sum of 20 terms. Yes, 20 we have to find. Only this much is the question. Okay. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D is equal to 10. I'll write this as equation 1. Same like previous problem. I have done previous problem similarly. Same like this. So A11 as it is equals to 1 plus 3 into A4 they have given 10. A11 is equals to 1 plus 3 tens are 30. A11 is equals to 31. A11 is nothing but A plus 10D is equals to 31. Equation 2. Same solving 1 and 2 we get A plus 3D is equals to 10. A plus 10D is equals to 31. What we have to do? We will change the sign. Minus plus, we have minus. Plus means again minus. So A get cancelled. 1 plus 1 minus. I have already told you we have to see this which sign we have changed. This sign we have to see. Plus minus minus. 10 minus 3 7. Greater number 10 minus 70. Plus minus minus 31 minus 10 21. Greater sign is minus. Minus minus get cancelled. D is equals to 21 by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are. We got the D value is 3. So substitute or put the value D is equals to 3 in any equation. Any one equation. So equation 1 in 1. What is the equation 1? A plus 3D is equals to 10. A as it is 3. D value we have got 3 in place of D is equals to 10. A plus 3 3s are 9 is equals to 10. A is equals to 10 minus 9. A is equals to 1. We got A value is 1. So what they have told? Yes, 20. Yes, n is equals to n by 2. What we have to do is, yes, n is equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 D formula. Yes, 20 is 20 by 2. 2 into a value is 1 plus 20 minus 1 D is 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. 10 into 2 ones are 2 plus 19 into 3. 10 as it is, 2 plus 19 threes are, I have already multiplied 57. So 10 into 57 plus 2 is 59 and 59 tens are 590. So the answer is 590. Yes, 20 is equals to 590. So in my next video, I am going to continue with question number 14 till question number 20. So in my next video, I will continue this. To watch my next video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share. Thank you.